Good morning to all. Dear students, I am explaining question number 7 from exercise 13.1 of NCERT book 9th standard. So, in this question, Shanti Street store was placing an order for making cardboard boxes for packing their sheets. Two sizes of boxes were required. The bigger of dimensions to 25 centimeter into 20 centimeter into 5 centimeter, and the smaller of dimensions 15 centimeter and 12 centimeter and 5 centimeter. For all the overlaps, 5% of the total surface area is required extra. If the cost of the cardboard is rupees 4 for 1000 centimeter square, find the cost of the cardboard required for supplying 250 boxes of each kind. इस क्वेश्चन में ये चीज आपसे पूछा जा रहा है कि टू टाइप के बॉक्सेस हैं जिनके डायमेंशंस ये और ये हैं, और इनको हमें इस क्वेश्चन में सबसे पहले टोटल सरफेस एरिया को फाइंड करना है। तो ठीक है, मैं अभी टोटल सरफेस एरिया निकाल रहा हूं प्रत्येक बॉक्सेस का। ओके, फॉर बिगर बॉक्सेस, बिगर बॉक्सेस। तो इस क्वेश्चन में हमें सबसे पहले बड़े बॉक्स का टोटल सरफेस एरिया फाइंड करना है और छोटे बॉक्स का हमें टोटल सरफेस एरिया फाइंड करना है। सो मैं ये निकाल रहा हूं। फॉर बिगर बॉक्सेस लेंथ इक्वल टू 25 सेंटीमीटर, breadth equal to 20 centimeter, height equal to 5 centimeter. So TSA of bigger box equal to 2 LB BH HL। इसका मतलब 2 ब्रैकेट स्टार लेंथ इंटू ब्रेथ प्लस ब्रेथ इंटू हाइट प्लस हाइट इंटू लेंथ। सो पुट दीज वैल्यूज 25 centimeter into 20 centimeter, 20 into 5 centimeter, 5 into 25 centimeter equal to 2 bracket start 500, 100, 25 5 is 125 equal to 2 bracket start 500, 100, 600, 725 equal to 1450 centimeter square. So in this way we can find the total surface area of bigger box equal to 1450 centimeter square. Okay, now I am proceeding this solution, also. So now I am rubbing this solution. Similarly, we can find the total surface area for smaller box. So in smaller box, for smaller box, L equal to 15 centimeter, breadth equal to 12 centimeter, height equal to 5 centimeter. In this way, we know that total surface area of a smaller box equal to 2 L into B plus B into H plus H into I. Therefore, 2 bracket start 15 into 12, 12 into 5, 5 into 15. Therefore, to multiply, we can multiply 15 into 12, 12 5 ja 60 karo 180 plus 60 plus 75. Therefore, 2 multiply 180 60
240, 240 और 75, 240 315 equal to 630 centimeter. So write down on notebook. I am proceeding this solution also. So in this way we already find the total surface area of bigger box equal to 1450 centimeter square. Similarly, total surface area of smaller box 630 centimeter square. So in this question, for all the overlaps value, it means total TSA of two boxes equal to 1450 centimeter square plus 630 centimeter square equal to 2080 centimeter square. So now in this question, for all the overlaps 5% of the total surface area is required extra. So extra area equal to 5% of 2080 equal to 5 upon 100 into 2080. 5 8 is 40, 5 2 is 10 upon 10 cancel out equal to 104 centimeter square. So this is the extra area 104 centimeter square. Now we have to calculate the total surface area, the total of total surface area with the extra area equal to. So now write down on notebook. I am proceeding the solution. Therefore, total of TSA of both boxes with extra area equal to 1450 2080 plus 104 equal to 48218 centimeter square. But in this question we have to find out if the cost of the cardboard is 4 centimeter for 1000 centimeter square. So the cost of, therefore the cost of 250 cardboard therefore total surface area of 250 boxes equal to 250 into 2184 centimeter square. Therefore the total cost of 250 boxes equal to 250 2184 into 4 upon 1000 equal to 0 से 0 cancel, 25 4 the 100, 4 cancel, equal to rupees 2184 rupees. That is the required answer. So I am giving write down on a notebook, and I am giving a few seconds to you, and I will attend the next question to you. Now I am attending the question number 8 from exercise 13.1. I am giving a solution of this question. In this question, length equal to 4 meter, breadth equal to 3 meter, and height equal to 2.5 meter. So I have to calculate the total surface area of shelter equal to L into B plus 2 B into H plus H into L. Therefore 4 into 3 plus 2 bracket start 3 into 2.5 plus 2.5 into 4 equal to 12 plus 2 bracket start 7.5 plus 10. 12 plus 2 17.5. 12 plus 35 equal to 47 meter square. So answer is over. I will explain new topic in the next class.